Hello guys and welcome to today's video, and in this tutorial video I'll be showing you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Alright guys, so how can you go about this? Please make sure you check out the link in the description first for bonuses and resources that we share with our viewers. Now let's get into it. Make sure you have the Messenger app installed and make sure it's on the latest version. So go ahead and open up Facebook Messenger. Once you're on Facebook Messenger, head to the menu section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, underneath your profile, click on Settings. Once you've selected Settings, scroll till you find Privacy and Safety. So click on Privacy and Safety, and here you're going to find End-to-End Encrypted Chats. So go ahead and click on End-to-End Encrypted Chats, and then where it says Message Storage, click on Message Storage. And now make sure you have secure storage turned on, because this is now going to help you recover your end-to-end encrypted chats. So basically what end-to-end encrypted chats entails is when you log in on a new device, let's say you move over from one device to another, you can now move your chats securely by entering your encrypted PIN, which is a 6 or 8 digit encrypted key or pin that you can now enter to recover your end-to-end encrypted chats. So you can just simply do this. Now, if you don't remember the pin you used, you can just reset your pin by creating a new pin. As you can see here, I'm requested to enter 6 digits. So just simply enter your pin. Now, if you head to more options, there's the auto sync option and some other options there. You can also save your chat history in your Google Drive. Now, another way of restoring your chats besides logging in and using your encrypted key is you could just simply scroll to the bottom of your settings where it says see more in account center, where it says account center. Click on see more, and then where it says your information and permissions, click on your information and permissions. Now where it says download your info, click on download, and then click on download or transfer info. And then go ahead and select the account. So I'm going to go with my Facebook, click on next, and then where it says specific type of info, click on this option so you can, recover your messages, audios, and whatnot. So let's go with messages. Now click on next, and then click on download to device, and then you're asked to enter a date range. When do you want your info? All of time, the last 3 years, last year, 6 months, and then click on save, and then click on create files. Also, you'll be notified via your email when the link would be ready for you to download this info. Alright guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. And also, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.